We're recording already. Hello, guys. It is Thursday, June 18th. I'm tired. Not really, but exhausted. So it's right before 10. No trades, but this is a good example of kind of like what goes through my mind when I'm trading. Right, boom. I was rinsing off. Boom. Price, pushes up, sweeps out. London's high from Wednesday. And then I'm kind of like, okay, well, we had all these stacked highs right here. Okay, so now there's nothing. Pull out, that's a higher time frame BPR right there. Push up, market opens, and we sell. Let me check. ES, okay, ES, but ES hasn't taken any of this yet, so that's kind of why that's another thing. Oh, did MNQ? Okay, well, MNQ makes it look better. Same with ES. This being high. Yeah, nah, that does make sense. But then this is another example of what happened yesterday, where boom, push up. If I believe this is manipulation right here, this soup right here would be gold, right? That's perfect, right? That tiny change of the state, perfect. If you believed that this was manipulation and that the top is in. Boom, you take that, where are you targeting? Obviously the closest low down here. But if not, then what do we have to do? Since we're in the breaker, we push out. Okay, we wait for a retrace into the breaker. Did we tap the breaker? I 540, 50, 541. Nope. We did not tap it. Close though, but not close enough. But then we wait for us to tap the breaker. Okay, then any soup CISD, if it's a death in it, boom. That's perfect for me to go, okay, either I enter off the soup right there, get an aggressive entry, which I'm trying to get better at doing that because, okay, I can risk that and then I can just target the low. Or let's just say we fill it down here, right? Or no, we'd get it on this candle because that'd be the candle that. That's it, boom. You target the low rather than, okay, we have to wait till here, and then now it's like a 1 to 3, which isn't bad taking that, but it's still kind of sketch. So this is actually another breaker up here. That's my plug. No, so I like that idea if you believe this is manipulation. Uh, so yeah, I do. Now looking how this is playing out, yeah, I kind of do see this as the manipulation leg. And I do want to see a rebalance. I wanted obviously higher, take out these highs, then lower to at least take out this low from right after Asia, overnight low of the day, and then possibly push up because ES still has tons of LR to take. So I think just one push down and then push up should be good. But that's kind of what I'm seeing in this. But it's going to be hard pressed for me to find another trade to take just because of that. But would I take a trade if we push up? Is going to be for my gap? Not really. Well, hmm. So kind of watching this, we're going to push up. Do I believe this is Manipulation. Okay, is area expect to counter reject? Yeah, expect that, but do we miss it by another? Oh no, we did tap it. So cool. Well, look at that. Yeah, we would have been in before that. So if I wanted to take it, but I find it hard that we're just leaving some of these lows. Like I still want lower, but aha, 10 o'clock candle. Because yeah, if we do push up and take out this high into this DPR up here, I don't believe this is the low. We have not taken much for me to believe that this is the low. ES on the other hand, yeah, ES hasn't taken that low. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm like, okay, I want to see us take the low. Okay, bingo, would have been in there. Then an open high. Just thinking about the new entry confluence. It's better up here at the initial rather than, okay, a failure swing. But we didn't take the low of this, so we shouldn't really be coming and taking the high unless we want to take the high up here. So, yeah. But yeah. Then it's like, okay, if you get stopped out, now we look to re-enter. That's the thing. It's like I'm not seeing much bearish action to keep us pushing lower. It's like we putting alone, we've kind of reversing on it. Although, because yeah, that would have been a nice. I would have 100% at least have targeted that, which is weird that it's coming all the way back up here. But I don't know. Price is just being a little janky right now, so. So are always the moves that I like hesitate and miss on. That like happens. So I'm like, oh, I'm glad I missed it. But no, that was my model. Well, technically we didn't tap that breaker up here, so technically we still come up there and tap it. So maybe that's what we're doing on this. Maybe that's what we're doing. Maybe we are going to push up here, soup these out. This is going to be the manipulation, like boom. Calling it right now. Where is price likely to reject? Kind of like there. Up here, manipulate up into that. You can see that. If that is what happens, I'll come back and unpause it. Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Prediction almost correct. I think we could possibly just be manipulating out these people. There's been like no follow through on to the downside, which is why I'm like, if I'm entering, like I said yesterday, I am probably going to trail my stop hard, right? Unless we actually don't. But I'm like, this is manipulation. We manipulated that. If we go to a higher time frame, that's actually that's probably like a yeah, like 5 minute. Oh, that's like a 10 minute. Actually, it shows on the 15-minute as well. But 15-minute where we're souping right here. We have 3 minutes left in this candle. Giant inverse. So this is the breaker right here, right? So this is high. Boom. This is the souped high, right? So we need to close below like right here. We need to close below here in the next couple of minutes. So. If this next candle opens high. Alrighty, cool. Probably not going to happen. Unless it does. 4 sell. Just make sure I'm in the right. Oh. Sell. And go. On that, just trying things out. This could be one of those where we don't close all the way below, but we almost do. I just don't like the soup at that low. But I think, yeah. Okay, we did not close where I wanted us to close, but now this actually kind of looks better. For 353. Uh-oh. I don't like that. Yeah, don't exactly like that. But I still think low close below there. Unfortunately, how did I not get stopped out there? Great question. But that's the initial CISD. Soup there. Come on, please close below. I do not. I don't like it. But... And we open on the next candle. Not really liking that. But hey, so take profit is down here. Really, I'm not liking these soups here, but we did close below, so that's something positive, I guess. Yeah, 353 right there. Boom. Liquidity. Oh, we're just taking those and we're retracing. We're taking those and we're retracing. Come on, need some follow through in Q. Need some follow through. Huh, I like that. I mean that. Now look at this. Is it 353? Yeah, 353. Yeah. 35325. Yep, confirm right there. Take profit. There we go. So that's yeah. Okay, well that makes sense why it's such a recording. Okay, we're good. We're still good. What R would be 3? Because that's honestly what I should be aiming for. It's just 3. Okay. Don't worry, guys. We're going break even at 3 RR. Unless we get gulp. That's not good. Why do I say that's not good? Oh, because of that. Guys, did somebody tweet something? No. Hold your positions. Hold. 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 Oh, and I'm out. Cool. Rip. How did I not get taken out there? Alrighty, unfortunate. Sync, no sync. Wow. That is very interesting from that perspective. But yeah, I mean, what I wanted to see, boom. Soup there. Push down there. Now, watch this be. And now we disrespect it too much. We're probably going to push up and take more. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, kind of a janky day. We're not getting any follow through. And well, we're getting follow through the upside, but that's why I was like, oh, this should be follow through, unless follow through means we're taking the high and then going through. But yeah. We just want to go up. Wow. Yeah, usually not usually that wrong on direction, unless usually I have my manipulations down, but that could not be manipulation. We could take that out and then go. I just see us wanting to rebalance more to then go up. But yeah, that's all I got. 1019. Am I going to see what I want to see? It was weird. It's like yesterday's trading session felt like forever. But yeah. So yeah, interesting. But if anything else happens, I'll start this back up again. Welcome back, guys. Hey, look, we ended up taking the high, pushing into this zone, and now we've done it again. We've a more important liquidity sweep, manipulation, and now if we sell and don't give me an entry, I'm gonna crash out. Or if we pushed, I'm gonna be more mad if we just push down and then push up and just go voomp. Because this is one of the times where I'm not usually wrong in my direction. If we push up and take this high one more time, my direction is wrong. Which is crazy because usually that's not what happens. But ugh. Quiz sweep many. It would be ironic. Ironic as fuck if we just push up. I hope there we go, and we deliver. Because I want to enter on this, right? I think hold up, calling it now. We're gonna take that low. We're gonna push up, but if we push up and inverse that, Dun, 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 dun. What out? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Nah, it's yeah. Nah. Minutes. This looks so clean though. Oh, from like a 3 minute perspective. Alrighty, boom. Reject away. So we manipulate the people went short here, thinking this was the failure swing, which was me. And now we're going long finally. Or now we're going short finally. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. But if this happens, right? If we go boom, 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 boom. Well, I mean, that's kind of what happened here. Push down, chop, 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 chop up, and then down, but just no follow through on that. But yeah, I. Well, I'll see you guys if we ever get an entry or if not. But yeah. Guys, I'm going to call it here because I don't want to be stuck in the same position that I was yesterday where it's 11, it's after 11, and I'm still waiting for take profit to be hit, and we're messing around. Look, we pushed up, boom, pushed away, nothing, and we're finally pushing back up. We're not following through to the downside. So I'm calling it here. Yeah, it's kind of strange. Usually we're not usually we're not like that. And usually, even for stuff like yesterday, where we're just, oh my gosh, I have too many drawings on my charts, where we just don't want to follow through. I guess right here we did follow through, but follow through. We did late. We even did here, right? Before, what is this? Yeah, oh, 2. Okay, so even before, we followed through later, but we're not doing it then. So that's kind of the strange thing. I mean, is we're just not getting anything to the downside. But hey, you got to survive these weeks. And with this new confidence I have with adding the breaker thing, I'm like, okay, cool. We have the breaker here, possible entry. Not the right time, right? Right here is a good time. That's right after 10. Okay. Possibly like, okay, right around 10, little after 10 reversal, 10 a.m. up its high, boom. And then we sell. No, not like that. But if we survive these days, we bank hard on the good days. Because even risking an eighth of the drawdown, so $250, it was like 200 actually, but like a tenth. This was 1500, right? We're risking 200 to 50. That's like almost a 1 to 8 from a CISD, not even from a turtle soup. So I'm happy that I was able to execute, felt confident on it, and now we just need to keep managing the risk. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. I think tomorrow's a half day, so maybe trade. This is the third trade of the week, so maybe not. Who knows? Maybe see you tomorrow. Maybe see you next Monday.